Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Tailgate Friday, or not Tailgate Friday, Tailgate Thursday. Excuse me. This was Donna, her idea from Dream Creations and Adventure. Really sweet lady. I like Donna a lot. She's pretty awesome. I'll link her channel below. And I'm going to be a little confession. I'm getting a little tea going because my throat's a little scratchy. So, get a nice warm brew going. Look at this view. Look at this view here. Got a little stream, a little nature. Out in the National Forest. I actually went out to Raven Camp and also the lean-to, and I did another video. But I was sitting out there and I was like, I just was not in the mood to go get firewood. I didn't want to sit there and cut it and drag it all around. And I just said, and I didn't have any firewood in the back of the truck. Otherwise, I could have gotten the fire going here. Just pulled all the wet wood out and then get rid of all the trash. There's even a mask in there. Ooh, I think my water's done. So, that looks like it's done. Yep. Sweet. This out. Should have had this prep, but I was introing my video. Too busy introing the video, not getting everything ready. I'm going to be making some Gator Jerky and rice soup. Okay. Alright, I'm finally getting around to using this enamel pot. So what I've got in here, I've got some dehydrated carrots and peas. I've got some, got a bouillon cube, although I might use two. We'll see, because I've got other seasonings too. So we'll get this opened up. I have just some paprika and some other, what else is in here? I think there's some pepper, black pepper. No, I think it's chili. I'm not sure what that is now. I better not use it. It might clash my flavors. A little salt and I think it's Uncle Steve's seasoning. Get that in there. And we got some Gator Trophy Series Gator Jerky, if that's going to focus. So I might use the other camera here in a moment. I got this at the Puyallup Fair. And then I also found this at, get the lid on. I got this at the Kroger. It's VT rice and tasty thyme, lime, and herb, which I'm sure you can read, but I was just going to throw it in the soup, warm it up. So then I get the veggies as well. I guess I'll throw those in there so they can start rehydrating. They might soak up some of the water too, so which that'll be fun. Alright, let that cook. Got a packet of honey for my tea. I like honey in my tea. If I can open it. I was gonna say, if it didn't open, I have a knife on me. Get that in the water. It's kind of coagulated, but that's alright. The hot water will fix it right up. Oh, you know what I forgot? I had these like little lemon packets I was gonna bring in, throw that in there too, and I forgot them. Come on, get in there. Nice. Alright, so my water's starting to boil, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it down just to a simmer. There we go. Let it work its magic. Here's a better shot of that jerky. Trophy Series Gator Jerky. I've got their business card. I'll link it in the description. The White Hill Smokehouse. Oh, at whitehilljerky.com. Cool. I should open this up and eat a piece. Alright, so first priority. Cheers, one and all. That's good. Might be a little boiled a little too hard because you know it's just water from home, so now I got to purify it. I'm gonna go ahead and try this jerky real quick. Because the last time I had Gator Jerky, I really liked it. Can I get it out of the package though? There you go. There'll probably be no taking any home to for later. Smells interesting. There we go. That's pretty good. There's a bit of a spiciness to it too. That's gonna make a good soup. This stuff's already at a nice boil, so. Might actually cook up pretty quick. I think my veggies are about ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing this jerky in here. Oh, nice big strip, but it's kind of hard to break. It's making a mess. Should have brought a cutting board. Just one more piece floating around here. Alrighty. I ended up just cutting it because of the pull portion is being a pain in my rump. Oh wow. Some some thick rice. Alright, let that sit and rehydrate in the water. Alright, so I killed the heat a few minutes ago. Let it sit and mingle. It didn't have to sit very long to do its thing. It's thickened right up too. So, I didn't bring a ladle, but I might just pour it out into a bowl. See if I can do this without spilling it. Because that would be funny yet tragic. Where's my bandana? There it is. I'm going to simply do this. Try to stable it. Oh, it's thicker than I thought. The rice must have really absorbed the lid on. Nice. There she is. Looks pretty good. Looks good to me. Hot too. Might go a close up with the other camera. Alright, there we are. Gator jerky and rice soup. Peas, carrots, tailgates wanting to slide everywhere. Rice, chunks of jerky, gator meat jerky, which might have hydrated, hopefully. Oh man. Probably the first time I've sat down other than driving since I got out of here. Try to get a bite with carrot, pea, and meat, and of course rice. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Hot. Well, clean bowl. I still have quite a bit left too. It almost absorbed all the water as well. There's like almost no water left, which kind of surprised me. The meat and the rice must have soaked it all up. I don't think these carrots were as good as they could have been. They might have been a little past or a little old, so I flicked a few away. I don't think I'm going to use them anymore. Maybe I'll bring a fresh carrot out and cook it next time. I think fresh veggies would have been better anyway. So I'm just going to relax a little, and as always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out Donna's channel at Dream Creations and Adventure. I'll link it below. And as always, have a great day. Peace out.